So, if you don't know, Samsung was recently caught throttling more than 10,000 applications last week. And this behavior is the reason why Geekbench removed 4 Galaxy S flagships from its list. Now, Samsung's game optimization service or GOS app, which is listed on the App Store to manage gaming apps to either prevent overheating issues or to give you peak performance however you want, was found to be limiting the performance of many non-gaming apps as well. And that is the worst part. And the biggest problem is that this is discovered by somebody else. Samsung isn't transparent about it. That's it. But believe it or not, Samsung left out the benchmarking applications like 3D Mark, Geekbench from its list. And that is why these benchmarking applications results were not impacted. So in other way, that means the benchmarking apps are not showing the real life performance of the Samsung devices, some of the Samsung devices. With the One UI 4 update, Samsung also made it hard for the user to disable the GOS app. But Samsung in response said that the GOS optimizes CPU and GPU performance to prevent overheating issues during the long gaming sessions. And also Samsung said that they will roll out a software update to enable or disable GOS by the users. Why to do it in the first place? You could have been this transparent, Samsung. Why? Now, Samsung didn't talk about the non-gaming apps that are getting throttled by the GOS either. So, you know what? Samsung is also lying about another thing. You can check out that video. I will link down below, or you can click on the cards. Now, according to Geekbench, this is considered as a form of benchmark manipulation. And I can totally agree on that. The recently launched Galaxy S22, the S21, the S20 and the S10 series phones were found to be using GOS, and so Geekbench has delisted them. Now, this isn't new for smartphone brands either. The most infamous one is in 2017, it was reported that Apple was throttling down their older iPhones to compensate the low battery health. And Apple had to pay a big price for that, we know that. But then again, after all, Samsung is making good phones, right? So the next big good phone is the Galaxy S23. It's going to be. Now, people just recently got their latest Samsung Galaxy S22 devices, and now Tipster Ice Universe has rebuilt some of the renders of the Galaxy S23. Now, these renders clearly showing no hole punch for the front-facing camera, and because we can't see any signs of a pop-up camera or anything like that, that means Samsung S23 will feature an under-display selfie camera. And if this will happen, then this would be the second Galaxy smartphone or first non-folding Galaxy smartphone to sport under-display selfie camera feature. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 released last year came with an under-display camera 4-megapixel sensor, which isn't exactly designed for crispy selfies. It's only good for video calls, let's call it. But the Galaxy Z Fold 3 had other optional cameras. Here, on the other hand, Samsung will have to implement the tech in a way that the output quality will be on par with the current hole punch selfie camera experience. Because usually most customers will not like the weird effects in their selfies. Rather, they will be happy to compromise with a hole punch, right? Anyway, thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.